This is crazy. This is crazy. This is crazy.
These are the top 10 questions a Frederick Maryland workers' compensation attorney faces every week or every month. First, can I sue my employer because I was hurt on the job in Frederick, Maryland? The answer is no. Workers' compensation is your exclusive remedy. It's no fault, so you don't have to prove fault, but you can't sue your employer. You must file a workers' compensation claim. Two, what if I'm injured on the job and my Frederick, Maryland employer doesn't have insurance? Do I still have a claim? The answer is yes. You can file a claim with basically the uninsured employers fund. They step in, they'll provide workers' compensation insurance. At the same time, the employer who does not have workers' compensation insurance will be fined by the state of Maryland. Three, how soon can I recover my lost wages? The answer to that depends on your claim. Is it all in order? Is everything before the employer and the employer's insurance company and they need to review? If it is, the claim can go through relatively quickly. Four, what is the Maryland Workers' Compensation Commission and what do they do? Basically, it's the same as the court, except it's in workers' comp. It is the exclusive place where all workers' compensation claims are filed and reviewed. Five, do I really need a Frederick, Maryland work injury attorney? Can I file the claim myself? The answer is get an attorney. There's nothing but forms and more forms with workers' compensation. To get through all the red tape, to not have your file bounce back, you need a Frederick, Maryland workers' compensation attorney. If there's a dispute with the insurance company and a hearing before the Maryland Workers' Compensation Commission is requested, how long does it take? Once a hearing is requested, that's up to the commission to set the date. At times, if there's a real problem, you can set what's called an emergency request form. That will push you up over everybody else. Seven, if you call the Workers' Compensation Commission, will it expedite the process? The answer is no. I hear this question all the time. Don't call them. It does nothing. It doesn't move your hearing date up, and it doesn't get them to evaluate the claim any earlier. 8, does the Workers' Compensation Commission give legal advice? The answer is no. 9, you receive an order. When can you expect to receive compensation? Generally, the carrier has 15 days from the date of the order to issue payment. 10, if you speak only Spanish, Chinese, or Korean, how do you present your claim? First, find a law firm in Frederick, Maryland that has paralegals who can prepare you, who speak Spanish, Chinese, or Korean. And second, make sure your workers' compensation attorney in Frederick orders a court-appointed interpreter who speaks those three languages.
This is crazy. This is crazy. This is crazy.